Triceratops was a fascinating dinosaur that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Triceratops means three-horned face. It had 3 horns on its face, with 1 on its nose and 2 above its eyes. Triceratops ate only plants. Triceratops used its tough beak to munch on plants like ferns and low-lying shrubs. Triceratops used the 3 horns for defense against predators like Tyrannosaurus rex. It could also use its bony frill, the shield-like structure behind its head, Triceratops lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 68 to 66 million years ago, in what is now North America. They likely roamed in herds, similar to modern-day buffalo.